This is the first time in the history of live streaming I got cut off like for the third time. I don't know what's going on. I'm looking at the activity monitor. I don't see any problem. Looks like my Mac is on crack. Shoot in the dark. I say, what's going on, my man? How are ya? How are you doing? Stream sucks. Yeah, well, it's ecom to restream. I don't know what's going on. I'm looking at my activity monitor and I don't see any drop. Or is WordPress used by web designers? Absolutely. Absolutely. Is WordPress used by web designers? Yes, web designers. Because web designers, they design. So here's the thing, not every web designer is a web developer. Some web designers, they just design and they hand it off to the developer, and the developer, whether they use CMS, Drupal, Java, CSS, whatever they can do, the developer takes it and develops it, right? And you have some that do both. They design website, but they also develop. And you have some that don't know how to design, but they know how to build also on WordPress using Elementor or Divi, and they learn design as they go. It's a new draft every 15 minutes to every hour. Wow, that's not good. You have to pay your internet bill. Hey, talk to Luis, okay? Take three. There you go. Take three. I'm just gonna keep my. I'm gonna maybe the stupid the Chrome. I'm gonna close Chrome. Use my Firefox. Is there a difference between WordPress and WordPress.com? I know you know the answer, but since you asked, thank you for asking that question. It is. There is a difference. The WordPress.com, it's a free service where you can sign up and start a blog, like Blogger.com, Tumblr, and LiveJournal and whatnot. It's a service. It's a free service, but it's limited. Okay, I wouldn't recommend it for businesses. I would recommend it for building something like customizable applications and features. You cannot do that with the WordPress.com because it's very limited, right? The WordPress.org don't offer any service, but the WordPress.org is more like a forum, a community information-based website. If you want to build a site on WordPress application, there's another proper terminology called the self-hosted WordPress. What does that mean? It means you buy the domain, you pay for the web hosting through, let's say, GoDaddy, SiteGround, or WP Engine, and you install the WordPress into your server and build it from there, and that is called self-hosted WordPress website. And thank you. That is a good question. So 1 second, Lauren. Let me go ahead and see if I can log in. If I can even remember the username and password. Just 1 second, because this is not good for what you call it, for the website to automatically create something like that. Because like Nadim said, it could be something on the back end, but it doesn't sound normal. But let me see if I can log in. Let me use Firefox instead. Give me a few minutes. I don't remember what's my user and password, but let's see. Okay, I'm using Firefox now. I hope it won't freeze. What is the WordPress anyways? Is it CMS or a tool like Squarespace? Excellent question. Well, Squarespace and Weebly and Wix, they are called the template a managed template-based website services. So basically, those services you pay the monthly, and it's a drag and drop, and it's a system of their own that they're all different. You cannot transfer from Squarespace to Wix, but WordPress is based on PHP language. It's built on PHP. Okay, it is a CMS system, which means content management system. So it's built for mainly for blogging and posting content. So that's what is it for. Okay, but even then, it can be utilized to build anything. I mean, you can use it for e-commerce. You can build it for retail store. You can do a membership site and whatnot. So it can be utilized for a lot of stuff. What makes it unique is that the 30% of the internet is built on self-hosted WordPress. And when your business expands and grows and you want to add a lot of customizable features and application, you can definitely do that with the self-hosted WordPress. And plus, you do have that full ownership. That means you own the domain, you own the hosting, and you can switch it and transfer to any other provider. And you can also hire a WordPress developer that can fully customize what you call it, your website. But you can, I mean, right now Squarespace has that feature. We can hire somebody that can do some sort of customization for Squarespace. In fact, I think that was one of the most popular demand this year. So that's with the Squarespace. Lauren, I'm not able to log in. I don't remember my username and password. Let me check something real quick and see if I can see what is the problem with the with this draft. Because if it replicates by itself, that they could be. Oh, it's not a virus or any type of what Nadim was talking about, some sort of plugin or. Let me see. Let me see. Well, since it's a WordPress day, we gotta see troubleshoot. Let me see if I can find the access here. Oh my God! Look at that username, White Chowdhury. What kind of username is that? Let me try again. If that's a username. Can I log in? Can I log in? It's thinking. There you go. Do you do an actual code with WordPress, or is it like editor? I personally, I'm not a coder. I'm not a developer, but I have a team that do that. But that's also a very excellent question from Shooting the Dark SA, because with WordPress you can do both. If you're a coder, if you're a developer, you can use PHP language or CSS. You can add JavaScript. You can add CSS on it. But you can do both, or you can just use the dashboard, which is very simple for a lot of folks. Okay, Lauren, the is this under pages? The draft. Divi, all using Divi. I only see like there's a 7 pages. I don't see any draft. Okay. This is built on Divi, which is an amazing theme. Divi. Oh, post. Okay, post. Let me go to the post. What are these? Untitled, wow, untitled, bunch of numbers uncategorized. Let's see. Post. Whoa, yeah, I don't see the author. Strange. Let me check. Yeah, you were right. I don't see any author here, and there could be some sort of conflict in a plugin somewhere that causing this. WordPress running photo PHP theme recently. Looking into this. Those are the draft that keeps getting created. Yeah. Let me check the screen. There you go. I'm looking at it here. Let's see what's causing that. What causing the? There's no plugin for that, which makes no sense. I don't see any plugin for. First of all, there are like 26 plugin that needs to be updated. That's not good. So let's see. Iframe. Auto optimize. What is this? Make yourself faster. Better search. Bird eye. Code snippet. Event on. I'm trying to look on the plugins. Plugins. Ninja table. Let's see. Says now. Let's see. Table press. I don't see any auto plugin there. Well, we can try this plugin called WP Activity Log to see what causing the creating the what do you call it? These posts. Like Nadim said, I would definitely would love to have my developer also look at it, but I need to also use some type of log to see what causes the generation of these titles or these posts. Spam post, not a spam post, because these posts, when I click on them, it's like, let me click on the post. I'm troubleshooting this issue where these posts getting clicked, and when I click on it, there's nothing there. It's empty. For some reason, untitled number comes up. Let's see. Yeah, something is triggering it for sure. So I might want to try this plugin called WP Activity Log. See if I can. If there is no plugin, it could be a script in the post.php root. Yep, that's what I'm thinking too. But you see, this particular website is hosted on WP Engine. Hosted on WP Engine. So the backend on WP Engine is a little bit different. Okay, so let me try this tool here real quick. Hey Adam, what's going on? Thank you for tuning in. AgriLog will only pick up activity based on users. Yeah, but this one here also pulls what do you call it? Auto post. No user for this activity, so I'm guessing it's I am also guessing it's a script. But let me try this real quick and see if it helps. If not, then yeah. So let's see. Enable the login users. So I gotta check. Well, to this topic, you can ask anything about WordPress. Trying to troubleshoot this issue right here. She hasn't done anything. I'm just, the plugin just time to work on it. So if nothing comes up, I just have to go back and turn off this plugin that I'm using right now. Yeah, because there is definitely something, either the server side or, so I can just go back. Yeah, this is very weird. But she also mentioned that it happened before, like, yeah, the topic today, basically, there's no topic. You have a question about WordPress, go ahead and ask any question about WordPress. That is the subject. So, anyway, got stuck on trying to troubleshoot this, so I'm gonna have to get back to that later and keep troubleshooting it. Okay. All right. So like Nadim said, it has to be either something on the php.post file that needs to be removed. Okay. So we're gonna have to log into the server, right, Nadim? We have to go log into the server and start working from there. Let's see. This is Mark, and hey, what's going on, Mark? This is Mark, and how you doing? It wasn't. Yeah. So basically, what I did, I added this plugin to look for auto post audit to see what is it coming from. So it looks like now it's not working. So we have to go back and disable that plugin. Then after that, we have to probably look at the WP engine from there and figure out what's causing this issue. Because the problem is, if this keeps happening with the draft automatically generating, it can basically eat up the space. You know what I mean? So, but no problem. We can definitely work on it after this. You know nothing about WordPress. What? You know nothing about WordPress? Hey Melody, what's going on? Thank you for tuning in. How are you? It is almost 6:54. It's almost 6:54. As a general rule, keep your installation and plugins up to date. Yeah, this website is going to be revamped pretty soon. They're going to completely update everything, revamp it. So that's why it's possible that some of the stuff wasn't updated because of that. Okay, so do we have any more questions on the subject of WordPress? I'm like so focused on how to fix this. I gotta fix it. Yes, I missed the beginners class because I was ill, and then COVID happened. Well, no problem. I mean, we still do the. Right now, I got a couple of requests. People are asking me if I can come back and start doing the classes right here. A few people asked, and I posted the class today, and looks like still nobody showed up. So we'll see what's going to happen next month. But Mark, if you still, Debbie, if you still want to go through it, he does, yeah. So if you still want to learn a little bit, just let me know. We can do like a beginner step-by-step guide, so I can basically use the live streaming, or I can show you the back end. We can do like specific subjects just on that. If you want it, you just need to let me know, and you got to be ready on that day to attend So let me know if there's any more question on the WordPress. Lauren, you got anything else? But for sure, we need to fix this, because if this thing keep happening, then it can be a problem. You know what I mean? Yeah, excellent. Yeah, that's a very good place. Do you have a membership site? Me personally, I don't. I help others to build a membership site. Maybe I should build my own too, right? Yeah, the WP Beginner Facebook group is really good. In fact, if you go to the WPBeginner.com, they have a page called for beginners or step by step for like somebody like fresh and new. That should be the best place for you to basically check it out. And the cool thing about the group, the community itself is super helpful. In fact, if you go to the WP Beginner Facebook group for non-techies, on Wednesday they have a huge post, like people asking tons of questions, and the community is super helpful. I mean, they provide a lot of resources, step by step guides and images and whatnot. So highly recommend it. That's the cobbler's conundrum. Hmm. Okay, so do we have any more questions on marketing, on digital marketing, on WordPress? Luckily, I'm still around. My PC didn't crash. It's been crashing all day. I don't know why my Chrome is not working, and a lot of crazy stuff. Okay, I'm gonna wait for one more minute. You must welcome it in. Thank you for tuning in, man. Yes, WordPress. If you go to Lauren shared the link. It's facebook.com/groups/WP beginner. Okay, that is the Facebook group. It's part of the WPBeginner.com. All right. Do we have any more questions, please? Yeah, I like this channel. I'm like, man, we gotta fix this thing. We can't let this continue. This ridiculous draft, whatever draft thing. I'm like so determined. I need to figure it out. And Debbie's, I have worked with her, but rather have someone else show her. Oh, okay. Hey, Mark. Look, two of you are here. Oh, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. Inshallah, I will. Okay, folks, it's 7 p.m. Let me know, as usual, any more question you all might have. Send me a DM, leave a comment, leave a question in the comment section, and I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. So I was like really focusing on how to fix this specific website here. So hopefully we'll figure it out, and tomorrow I'll let you know if I found out the solution, how we did it. Hey Jerry, what's going on, my man? I heard that you talk about Elementor. Do we couple that with a theme, or do they offer a theme? Excellent question. Well, Elementor comes with their own theme, but you can also use the Pro Elementor plugin, and it works with most theme, by the way. I heard great things about you. Who, me? Nah, man. Let's see. Elementor is a drag and drop builder. Yes, it's similar to Divi. It's similar to Divi. It's very fast, though. It's very fast and slick. you can check out Elementor.com and go to their knowledge base page or support page. They have tons of videos, and in fact, some of my even social media team actually learned how to use Elementor, and now they're building sites already. Ciao. I will find the WordPress for beginners and then wait for you to schedule a class. Yes, Jerry Garcia. Absolutely. Gotcha. Thanks, Nadim. All right. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Any more questions before I bounce? I'm gonna wait another minute. You're welcome, Lauren. Anybody? No more questions? All right. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow then, 6 p.m. Take care. Bye bye for now.